Problem 1. A natural number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, so like numbers that come naturally to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, whole numbers and starting from 1 and up. The natural number divides by 11, and its quotient and remainder are the same. The same natural number then divides by 9, and the quotient is 3 times the remainder. So what is this natural number? First, we're given a lot of information, but actually not a lot, and we're not quite sure how to piece it together yet. But first, we need to write this down using equations in math. First, so we're trying to find this natural number. We can think of a random variable that, can represent this. So anything we don't know, we're going to use a letter or a variable to represent. I'm going to pick a capitalized A for this. So A divided by 11, its quotient, I'll make that a small a, which is lowercase a, and remainder are both a. And the same natural number, so A, divides by 9. And this time we don't know if the quotient is the same as last time, so I'm going to write lowercase b is 3 times that of the remainder. So this time we can clearly see that 3b is 3 times b. So what is this natural number? Let's look at what we have right now. And I'm going to put a big bracket right here to show that this is a group of equations. We know that a is divided by 11 is lowercase a, remainder lowercase a. We also know that a divided by 9, its quotient is 3b, remainder b. So what are two things we know about a? Well, we know that a is equal to 12 times a because it has a group of something plus another group of a. So 11 times a plus one more a is 12a. A is also equal to 28b. And why do I know this? Because 9 times 3b is 27b plus one more b is 28b. So this, ask yourself if this makes sense, right? So, and then think about, if it doesn't, just think about what is the definition of these two equations. All right, so we know that a is equal to 12 times lowercase a. All right, so every single time I'm referring to this capitalized A, I'm gonna use natural number, okay? So we know that this natural number is 12 times A, and this natural number is 28 times B. So, what can this natural number be? Well, if it's divisible by both 12 and 28, we can find a common multiple of 12 and 28. And I'm going to start by their least common multiple. So LCM of 12 and 28. So let's look at 28's multiples. Right, we have 28, then we have 56, then we have 84. 84 is the LCM of 12 and 28 because 84 is also divisible by 12. It's 12 times 7. So we have an idea of this natural number, and it could be 84, but we're not sure yet. So why don't we test this out? So if this natural number is 84, then if this natural number is 84, then b will have to equal 3 and a will have to equal 7. If we substitute the values of a and b both into these equations, does this make sense? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 3 is 84. That also makes sense. So what is this natural number? We don't even have to continue testing because we know that 84 is the correct answer.